Yo, what's up everybody, it's MKBHD here, and today we're diving deep into a world where distance is no longer a barrier. From massive excavators moving mountains from miles away to robots performing surgery with incredible precision, this is the future of control. So buckle up, because things are about to get seriously interesting. First up, we've got the Hitachi excavator, a beast of a machine that can be controlled from a safe distance. This tech is a game changer for hazardous environments like disaster zones or mines, keeping operators out of harm's way. It's like having a giant robotic arm at your command, and it's revolutionizing the construction and mining industries. Next up, we're stepping into the operating room of the future with the Edge surgical robot. This isn't your average robot. It's a precision instrument that allows surgeons to perform complex procedures with unmatched accuracy, all from a console that feels like an extension of their own hands. It's not just about remote control, it's about enhancing surgical capabilities, reducing trauma, and improving patient outcomes. Now let's talk about the future of driving with Elmo teledriving. This tech lets you control electric vehicles from anywhere in the world, as if you're sitting in the driver's seat. Elmo teledriving is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with remote control, and it's going to change the way we think about transportation. Managing a fleet of robots or vehicles remotely can be complex, but the Ops Factor Control Desk is here to simplify things. With ergonomic design, intuitive interfaces, and advanced software, the Ops Factor puts you in complete control. Ever dreamed of being a race car driver? Phantom Auto is making that dream a reality virtually. This tech isn't just for fun, it has serious implications for safety and efficiency in motorsports. Next up, we're jumping on board with CAF Alive, a smart rail technology that's changing the game for train systems. CAF Alive is all about optimizing rail operations, reducing downtime, and ensuring a smoother ride for everyone. Get ready for liftoff as we explore the Gitai Lunar Rover R1, a robot designed to assist astronauts on the moon. It's a stepping stone to a future where we can explore other planets and celestial bodies remotely, expanding our understanding of the universe. Let's dig deeper into the world of mining with Caterpillar MineStar, an advanced automation platform that's changing how mining operations are run. MineStar is making mining safer, smarter, and more productive, ushering in a new era for the industry. In the world of logistics and warehousing, precision and safety are paramount. These remote-operated robotic clamps are designed for delicate and precise package handling, making them ideal for fragile or valuable goods. Venturing deep underground, we encounter the Sandvik Toro LH518IB, an electric loader built for the challenges of underground mining. The Toro LH518IB represents the future of mining, where automation and remote control improve safety and efficiency in even the most demanding conditions. Setting sail into the world of maritime technology, we have the ABB Ability Marine Pilot Control, a system that's changing how ships are navigated. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming a reality in the maritime industry. Prepare to have your mind blown, because we're diving into the world of brain-computer interfaces with Synchron's BCI. This tech has the potential to be life-changing for people with paralysis or other disabilities, giving them a new level of independence and control. Back on solid ground, we're checking out ABB's remote crane operation, a technology that's transforming construction sites and industrial settings. It's like playing a giant game of Tetris, but with real-world consequences. Let's step into the world of agriculture, where the AgBot is changing the game. The AgBot is like having a robotic farmhand, working tirelessly to optimize crop yields and reduce the environmental impact of agriculture. Taking to the skies, we have the Kita drone, a delivery drone designed for long-distance, last-mile logistics. The Kita drone is making that future a reality, one delivery at a time. Diving into the deep blue, we encounter the Saab CI, a remotely operated vehicle designed for underwater exploration, inspection, and defense. The CI is opening up new frontiers in ocean exploration and underwater operations. Hitting the road again, we have Phantom Auto Trucks, bringing remote control technology to the world of trucking. Phantom Auto Trucks are changing the game for logistics, making transportation safer, smarter, and more efficient. Soaring high above, we have the MQ-9B Sky Guardian, a long-range, remotely piloted aircraft used for surveillance, defense, and environmental monitoring. The Sky Guardian is a game-changer for a wide range of applications, demonstrating the power of remote control in the air. Back in the fields, we encounter the Pest, a remotely managed pest control robot that's revolutionizing agriculture. The Pest is a prime example of how remote control technology can make agriculture more sustainable and efficient. John Deere is back, this time with their autonomous tractor, a self-driving machine that's changing how farms are managed. The John Deere autonomous tractor is a glimpse into the future of farming, where technology and automation work hand in hand to feed a growing population. Prepare for a splash as we dive back into the water with RoboShark, a biomimetic underwater robot designed for surveillance and environmental monitoring. The RoboShark is a testament to the power of biomimicry and the growing role of robots in understanding and protecting our oceans. John Deere is back again, this time with their Operations Center, a cloud-based platform that's putting farmers in control of their data. The John Deere Operations Center is empowering farmers with the information they need to make smarter decisions and increase their profitability. While they might not be as flashy as some of the other technologies on this list, HBC Remote Systems deserves a shout-out for their crucial role in the world of remote control. HBC Remote Systems provides the tools that make these operations possible, ensuring safety and efficiency in demanding environments. Back in the concrete jungle, we have Zoomlion's remote-controlled tower cranes, changing the skyline one building at a time. Zoomlion's remote-controlled tower cranes are making construction safer, faster, and more efficient. Meet the ST Engineering Taurus, a family of unmanned ground vehicles designed for a wide range of missions, from surveillance and logistics to defense and security. These rugged vehicles can be operated remotely, navigating challenging terrain and providing valuable support in various scenarios. The Taurus is a versatile tool for a wide range of applications, showcasing the growing importance of UGVs in various industries. Teledyne FLIR brings us their Unmanned ground systems, a range of remote-controlled ground robots equipped with advanced sensor technology, including thermal imaging. Teledyne FLIR's unmanned ground systems are saving lives and enhancing situational awareness in critical situations. When things get hot, the Thermite firefighting robot is there to save the day. The Thermite firefighting robot is a game-changer for firefighting, reducing risks and enhancing our ability to combat blazes. Last but not least, we have the Brock 70, a compact demolition robot designed for controlled demolition in confined or hazardous areas. The Brock 70 is a testament to the power of robotics in demolition, making dangerous jobs safer and more efficient. And that's a wrap. We've journeyed through the world of remote-controlled technologies, from massive excavators to microscopic surgical robots and everything in between. As technology continues to evolve, we can only imagine what the future holds for remote control. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of remote-controlled tech, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and be sure to let me know in the comments which tech blew your mind the most. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.